Good morning. Yeah, I had an email come over today. The information's a couple weeks old, but it came over today. I got to thinking about it, and I want to share some information with you so you can look at some things possibly in a different point of view. Okay. The first part of this is going to be for clients, current, past, and future, and the other, and for referral partners who come to me from a financial background kind of thing. I get referral partners that are I get referrals from partners who are investment counselors, wealth advisors, commercial bankers, and people that sell life insurance. And their clients need help a lot of times. The second part of this will be some encouragement for realtors. So please follow me here. And if you have questions on these things that I mentioned, please call me. I'd love to talk through things with you. So I'm going to share this article. We'll look at it real quick. Basically shows that a lot of people have a 6% or lower rate on their homes. Most of these were financed in the past few years when the government was subsidizing interest rates. Now, let me give you some things to think about to where that should not always be the top priority. So, a lot of folks live in homes that are functionally obsolete for how they want to live, right? So, as we have medical issues or other things, a lot of these homes that were built years ago and even now aren't set up for wheelchair access into rooms. They don't have grab bars in the bathrooms. You know, that it's not a walk-in or wheel-in shower, that kind of thing. Um, maybe all the living space is not downstairs on one floor, and in some cases, people end up sleeping in a lazy boy instead of climbing the stairs to go up to the bedroom. So if you need to change the functionality of your house and stay where you are because you love your neighbors and your house and all, give me a call. We do rehab construction, and that's or rehab loans, and that's what those are for that kind of thing. And my parents, when they built their last house probably 10 or 12 years ago, they made sure it was all on one floor. They made it ADA compliant, and now it's really helping out. And my mom's having some medical issues. Now, also, if you have a lot of debt that you're struggling to pay, and by paying it off, you can get things in control and start to save money and invest money. That's something to look at too. Almost every day I get a loan application where somebody has a 20+% rate on a high balance credit card. And I've seen them 15, $20,000 or more on the balances, or a high rate on personal loan through one of these finance companies. It may actually work out numbers wise to roll that in to your mortgage debt, given that a lot of people have equity now, and lower your monthly obligation to where you can, like I said, save, invest, or pay extra if you want once you get those other things covered to get your mortgage down faster. You never know. We can look at those numbers. Okay. And if you need to move, if you have a really good job offer, or say your house isn't functionally supporting what you need to do or how you need to live, don't change or lose an opportunity by just wanting to save a few $1,000s a year. If you can get a $20,000 pay increase by moving to Florida, but you really like your payment here, I mean, I would probably take a closer look at that, you know? But I mean, I'll cover a little bit of this in a second with the realtor part, but a ton of people are moving to North Carolina now. And we have a huge state. I mean, if you live in Asheville and want to move to go work at the Toyota battery plant down in Liberty, and it's a substantial pay increase for you, or work at Boom in Greensboro at the new aeronautics place. I mean, look into that. If you can improve your quality of life, you know, don't chance over a couple grand a year. Um, Now for realtors, people are moving here in droves in the Carolinas, Virginia, Tennessee, the whole Southeast. The jobs are here, quality of life is better than a lot of places. And people are still upgrading too. I mean, family situations change. So don't let the current interest rate environment, which by the way is the old interest rate environment before the government got involved and lowered things to help the economy. Don't let that discourage you. Go out and hustle, be people's friends, and keep in touch. Don't just not keep in touch because it's not going to be something instant. Relationships change, situations change. If it's somebody you like, be their friend. We all need more friends, right? And more encouragement. So, you know, if you want some help with any of this, please call me. That's what I'm here for. And I'm not the high pressure sales guy. I promise you. If I was, I'd be talking to you from the Virgin Islands or somewhere right now. Because anyway, we won't go down that road. But thanks. Take care. Hope you have a great day.